You don't want to watch this, but when you watch it, you wonder if you had missed it. Washington, D.C. hotel incident. Conflicting claims emerge over security scare involving DRC First Lady. Confusion and tension after reported security breach. A reported security incident involving the First Lady of the Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, Denise Nyakuri-Skedi, at a hotel in Washington, D.C., has triggered widespread concern and competing narratives. The First Lady was in the United States following an invitation from the U.S. First Lady when the incident occurred. Congolese authorities confirmed they are working with American officials to establish what exactly happened. The First Lady is doing very well, a government statement said, urging calm as investigations continue. Here is a video that they shared.
How are you, brother? How are you?
What are you doing?
Nothing. I'm just recording.
You said?
Nothing. I'm just recording.
No, what? For what?
You cannot touch me, man.
Why are you doing that?
I'm allowed to do it.
Why are you doing that?
Public, no?
You know me?
Allegations of intrusion and escalation. Early reports circulating online described a possible intrusion near the First Lady's hotel shoot involving individuals identified as foreign nationals. Some unverified claims circulated further, suggesting an attempted assassination or intimidation plot. According to these reports, a brief confrontation occurred after suspicious individuals were detected near her room before they fled. However, U.S. authorities have not confirmed these claims as an assassination attempt. Security response and U.S. investigation. Security assigned to the First Lady reportedly reacted swiftly, preventing escalation. U.S. law enforcement agencies, including local police, intervened shortly afterward. Authorities are now investigating the identities of those involved, the nature of the incident, and whether any legal or diplomatic consequences may arise. Rwanda's version, misrepresentation of events. Rwanda has issued a strong rebuttal, describing the incident as a misunderstanding. According to Kigali, an unarmed member of the Rwandan VIP security team encountered DRC security personnel in a shared hotel hallway. The individual was briefly restrained and blocked from accessing an elevator, an action Rwanda described as inappropriate but resolved without escalation. The Rwandan delegation later chose to change hotels, alleging they were harassed and filmed while leaving. Rwanda also accused the DRC Minister of Information of spreading gross misrepresentation and blatant dishonesty. A select reactions highlight deep divisions. The incident has sparked sharp reactions online, reflecting the broader tensions between the two countries. Vice Makeli's, that's RYK Makeli's word, "No one will believe you. The Rwandan government has orchestrated several crimes outside its territory, and these have been documented in countries such as South Africa, Canada, Belgium, the DRC, Kenya, and Uganda. The same practices are known as the same denials." Meanwhile, Barack H. Jin, PhD, offered a contrasting view. "It's crazy that the DRC government builds false narratives against Rwanda with every scenario. I guess everyone is going to see how desperate they are to pick a fight with Rwanda at all costs." A highly sensitive political context. The incident comes at a time of heightened tensions between Rwanda and the DRC, partially over the ongoing conflict in Eastern Congo. Analysts warn that conflicting narratives and rapid online speculation risk escalating diplomatic friction before investigations are concluded. For now, authorities in the United States, Rwanda, and DRC continue to examine the situation as the international community awaits verified details on what truly transpired in Washington, D.C.